Hi students, in this video I am going to solve some more examples on simultaneous differential equation by using the method of multipliers. So first we have to consider here directly we get the one solution because here it is dy upon 2xy is equal to dz upon 2xz. The term 2x get cancelled, so y with respect to y and z with respect to x is on integrating we get the one solution. After that, using the method of multipliers, it means we have to multiply this given equation by x, y, z, then we get the one more solution. So let us start let us consider the equation as dx upon x square minus y square minus z square dy upon 2xy is equal to dz upon 2xz. So now start the solution. Solution is, first we have to consider the terms dy upon 2xy is equal to dz upon 2xz. Here the term 2x get cancelled, so we have dy upon y is equal to dz upon z. On integrating integration 1 upon y into dy is equal to integration of 1 upon z with respect to z plus integral constant c1. So this is nothing but log of y is equal to log z plus this integral constant c1 can be written as log c1. So again here we have y is equal to, or log y is equal to log z c1. Okay, because it is of the form log u plus log v. Log u plus log v can be written as log of u into v. Again the term log get cancels, so we have y is equal to z into c1, or c1 is equal to y divided by z. Call this as equation 1. Then next we have to solve by using the method of multiplier. So here we have to consider each fraction can be written as and also using the multipliers x, y, z, that is each fraction is equal to, here I can consider as x dx plus y dy plus z dz. Okay, the next divided by the denominator term. The denominator terms are multiplied by x, y and z. So it is x into x square minus y square minus z square, and here it is plus 2x y square because it is multiplied by y, and the next term is 2x z square. Then again here we write it as x dx plus y dy plus z dz whole divided by, this term can be written as x cube minus xy square minus xz square plus 2xy square plus 2xz square. Again further simplification, x dx plus y dy plus z dz divided by x cube minus xy square plus 2xy square, it is plus xy square minus xz square plus 2xz square, that is plus xz square. Okay, so here we have considered this as each fraction. So each fraction, so again we have to consider this one term and the last term of the given equation, that is 2x divided by xz, or we may consider as dy divided by 2xy. So now consider dy divided by 2xy. I can consider the second term, that is dy divided by 2xy, and this fraction can be written as x dx plus y dy plus z dz divided by x cube, or here we can take the x as common, then into the bracket we have x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, the next here the term x cancels, so dy is equal to transfer this 2 to RHS, then it is 2x dx plus 2y dy plus 2z dz divided by x square plus y square plus z square. Then next, the below equation can be written as dy divided by y is equal to this term 2x dx plus 2y dy plus 2z dz can be written as d of x square plus y square plus z square divided by x square plus y square plus z square. It means differentiation of this x square plus y square plus z square is 2x with respect to x, 2y with respect to y, 2z with respect to z. So this term, that is 2x dx plus 2y dy plus 2z dz term can be written as d of x square plus y square plus z square. So now we on integrating this equation, we get integration of dy divided by y is equal to, or here only we can write the constant term, integral constant, that is c2, and it is integration of 1 upon x square plus y square plus z square into d of x square plus y square plus z square. So in last video we know that 1 upon x dx means it is log x. So instead of x, here we have three terms, that is x square plus y square plus z square with respect to x square plus y square plus z square. So this integration becomes log of x square plus y square plus z square. So here we can write log y plus this integral constant c2 can be written as log c2, which is equal to log of x square plus y square plus z square. Then here it is y into c2, log of y into c2, log u plus log v, and this is equal to log of x square plus y square plus z square. And again the term log get cancelled, so we have y into c2 is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. This implies that c2 is equal to x square plus y square plus z square divided by 1. So call this as equation 2. Equation 1 and equation 2 gives the solution of given equation. This is an important problem for 5 marks. Let us consider the next example. that is dx divided by ly minus mz is equal to dy divided by lz minus nx and dz divided by mx minus ly. So again here this example is also solved by using the method of multipliers. So first consider or using multipliers solution. Using multipliers, x, y and z, using the multipliers x, y and z, that term becomes, that is x dx plus y dy plus z dz, and the denominator term is x into ny, and here it is multiplied by y means it is minus nxy plus nxy minus nxy get cancels, and here it is mxz, and here this term is multiplied by z, so again it is mxz minus and plus term get cancelled, so here it is minus plus lyz, and here it is minus y lyz, both the term get cancelled, so denominator term becomes here 0, so that term can be written as x dx plus y dy plus z dz is equal to 0. The next, on integrating x with respect to x, integration x with respect to x, integration y with respect to y plus integration z with respect to z is equal to 0. So integration of x is nothing but x square by 2 plus y square by 2 plus z square by 2, and here we can write integral constant as c1, that c1 can be written as c1 divided by 2. From these three terms the LCM is 2, so we have x square plus y square plus z square whole divided by 2 is equal to c1 divided by 2, the term 2 to get cancelled, so simply we have x square plus y square plus z square is equal to c1. Then next, again here this is equation 1. To find the second equation, again here we have to use the multipliers as L, M, N. If I can multiply this term by L, N, Y, and here it is minus L, N, Y, because this term is multiplied by L and this is M and this will be N. So L, N, Y, and here minus L, N, Y term get cancelled, and here it is minus M, Y, Z, and minus L, M, Z, and here it is M can be multiplied to the second term, so it is plus M, L, Z, both the term get cancelled, and here it is minus M, N, X, and here it is plus M, N, X, both the term get cancelled, so we have the denominator part as 0. For this we consider the multipliers as using the multipliers L, M, N. Using the multipliers L, M, N, we have L dx plus M dy plus N dz is equal to 0, because denominator part becomes 0. Again integrating, then it is L integration with respect to x, M integration with respect to y plus N integration with respect to z is equal to integral constant c2. Then it is Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to c2. Call this equation 2. So equation 1 and equation 2 gives the solution. Equation 1 and equation 2 gives the solution of the given equation. Let us consider the next example. Solve dx upon y is equal to dy upon x is equal to dz upon x by z square into x square minus y square. So here we can consider these two pairs. Solution is, consider dx divided by y is equal to dy divided by x. So cross multiply the term, then it is x dx y with respect to y. So on integrating we get integration of x with respect to x is equal to integration of y with respect to y plus integral constant c1. So it is x square by 2 is equal to y square divided by 2 plus integral constant can be written as c1 divided by 2. Again LCM is 2, so the term 2 is get cancelled. So we have x square minus y square plus, x square is equal to y square plus c1, or c1 is equal to x square minus y square. Call this as equation 1. Then next we consider the first and third term or second and third term. So here I can consider the term dx divided by y is equal to dz divided by xyz square into x square minus y square. So again here the term y get cancels, then it is take this x to LHS, then it is x dx is equal to 1 upon z square c1, because x square minus y square is nothing but our c1, that is from equation 1, then with respect to z, because from 1, that is x square minus y square can be written as c1. Then next here we write it as, bring the c1 to LHS, then it is x c1 with respect to x is equal to 1 upon z square with respect to z. Then next on integrating c1 is constant, so keep outside the integral sign. c1 integration x with respect to x plus, we can write here only, that is integral constant plus c2 is equal to integration of 1 by z square with respect to z. So c1 integration of x is nothing but x square by 2 plus c2 as it is, and here it is, this is equal to integration of 1 upon z square. So 1 upon z square can be written as z to the power minus 2. So integration of this term is nothing but minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. It is nothing but minus of 1 upon z. So it is integration of this term is 1 upon z. Then next we can write c1 x square, take LCM, so it is plus 2c2 is equal to 2 divided by z. Then next multiply this z to LHS, then it is c1 x square z plus 2c2z is equal to 2. So here the LCM is 2, so we can write c1 x square plus 2 into c2, that 2 goes to RHS, then it becomes 2 divided by 2 divided by z, and again this z can be transferred to LHS, then it becomes c1 x square z plus 2 c2z is equal to 2. This is called as equation 2. So equation 1 and equation 2 gives, equation 1 is nothing but our c1 is equal to x square minus y square, and equation 2 is nothing but c1 x square z plus 2 c2z is equal to 2. These two equations the solution of the given equation. So the next definition is total differential equation. The next definition for 2 marks, define the total differential equation. So the total differential equation can be defined as a equation is of the form, an equation is of the form P dx plus Q dy plus R dz is equal to 0. An equation is of the form P dx plus Q dy plus R dz is equal to 0, where these three terms P, Q and R are functions of x, y, z is called as total differential equation. If the given equation is of the form P dx plus Q dy plus R dz is equal to 0, where P, Q and R are the functions of x, y, z, is called as the total differential equation. In the next class, we are discussed about the how to solve this total differential equation by using the condition of integrability. Thank you.